Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making this long shot poster in Procreate. I'll be starting by selecting the paper like 8.5 by 11 inches in Procreate, and I've already selected the pieces like the image and the textures that I'm going to add to the poster. I actually want to create like a half tone effect behind the subject, so I'm just gonna add like the whole subject, like the image, and then add the subject without the background, and then we'll go to the adjustment layers and select half tone, okay, and put it to like 100%, so you'll get that half tone effect. Then again you have to add the subject without the background so that you can actually get that half tone effect behind the image, and it kind of looks cool. And I'm not a pro here, but this is how I figured out to do it in Procreate. I don't know if this is the correct method or not, but it works for me, so I'm just showing you what I do. Okay, so now I'm also adding their logo, and we are going to add like cool texture effects using clipping mask, so it kind of pops up. And if you're wondering where I get my assets from, so it's from Pinterest. You can find really cool stuff there, like the textures and everything. And I kind of incorporate a lot of stuff in my designs. I just experiment with it, like what looks good to me, and I'm just showing what I find interesting here. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm just playing here around with the blend tools, and applying all effects that might work or might not work. You just have to mix and match. Here I'm using another texture on top of it because it's blue and I want to like add a pop of color to it, and I'm gonna blend it and see how it looks. I just select randomly the blend tools and just adjust it and look what looks cohesive to the design. And now I'm also gonna add like a bloom effect to it. You just have to go to the adjustment tools and add a bloom. Okay, I'm also adding like a base to the poster, and I'm gonna apply Gaussian blur effect, and then I'm gonna apply like a glitch effect to it. I'm going with the red color here. And also guys, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so I don't know how the quality would be because I'm using my earphones to do the voiceover. So also recommend me, like, if you would like to see more videos with voiceover, or I should just add like background music to it. Just let me know in the comments, and also what kind of posters you would want to see on the channel, like tutorials and stuff. And also if you all have tried the mixed media animation, please tag me on Instagram so that I can see and share your work on my Instagram handle. And here I'm just adding the names of the members. I'll just fast forward this process, and I also wanted to give a disclaimer, like I'm not a professional designer. I just design for fun and like for the groups that I like and enjoy the music, and it's kind of like a creative hobby for me to indulge in. And I thought I should just make like tutorials since I'm designing, so it could also help others. That's it. And now here I'm just adding like a finer overlay texture. It kind of brings the design together and also looks really cool. And yeah. Okay guys, so our design is finally done. Just the final touches. I'm also adding another texture effect over it, and then our design is done. And please guys, subscribe to my channel if you like this video and want to see more such videos. Help me reach 200 subscribers, and also follow me on Instagram. And if you try out any tutorials, then please tag me I would love to see your work. You can find my Instagram handle on your screen and also in the description. So please go follow me there. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.